In this video, we'll go through some tips that will help you never lose on expert option trading. Without much, let's go to tip number 1. Use your demo account. The demo account is a very useful tool given by the Expert Option platform. If you're a beginner trader, I recommend you to trade on the demo account for at least a few days before moving into your real account. This will help you to gain a proper understanding of different assets or markets in the Expert Option platform. You can also use this demo account to test different trading strategies. Once you learn a strategy, make sure to apply that strategy on the demo account a few times before moving on to your real account. Despite many benefits, most people have the misconception that the demo account and the real account have two different markets. This is indeed not true. The reason for this is that even though people win most of their trades while trading on the demo account, they tend to lose most of the trades placed in their real accounts. This has nothing to do with whether you're using the real account or the demo account. Compared to the demo account, while trading on the real account, most people tend to panic and place trades at the wrong places in the market. Because the trade is not placed at the right point of the market, those trades end up being lost. It's always important to properly analyze the market and place a trade at the perfect moment, whether you're trading on the demo account or the real account. Choose trending market or assets. While trading on the Expert Option platform, make sure to use trending markets or assets. The main reason to choose these markets is higher profit rates. As you can see here, all of these markets have a higher profit rate than 80%, meaning if you were to win a trade in one of these markets, you would get more than 80% of a profit. Another reason to trade in this trending market is the market volatility. If I were to select one of these markets, we can see the market line is very volatile, constantly hitting the top and bottom peaks of the RSI indicator. These markets are very important while using different trading strategies. If I were to select a less trending market such as this, we could see the market doesn't have much movement and moves in one singular axis most of the time. This makes the market less predictable and riskier to trade on. So, always make sure to pick a trending market while you're trading. Use small trade amounts. A common mistake most beginner trades make is placing large trades on the market without proper analysis. Even though placing a large amount in a single trade can bring you large profits, the risk involving that trade is much higher. Especially if you're new to trading and only have a small amount of balance in your account, you must never place a large amount for a singular trade. By placing small amounts of trades in the market, even if you lose most of your trades, you will be able to trade for a longer duration, thus helping you to learn more and more about the markets and their behaviors. If you're a beginner trader, I recommend you use less than 10% of your whole account balance in one single trade. For instance, if you have $100 in your account, you should only use $10 or less for each of your trades. As I said earlier, this will help you to maintain your account balance without running out of money. Do not overtrade. Another crucial mistake most beginners make is overtrading. This means placing too many trades within a day or a single trading session. Overtrading mostly happens with a losing streak while trading. Whenever someone loses their trades, again and again, they try to earn back the lost money by placing even more trades. However, most of the time, these trades end up failing as well. To overcome this issue, you can set a trade limit while trading. No matter if you win or lose most of your trades after this specific limit has been hit, you stop trading for the day. You can either limit your trades by the trading amount for a specific day or the number of trades itself. Similarly to the earlier top, this will help you to trade for a longer duration while also preventing you from placing trades without proper analysis. Use different tools. Even though many people use the indicators while trading an expert option, they tend to forget other facilities provided by the platform for the users. For example, if you're a beginner trader and have no idea about how to identify a trend in a market, you can use the Trends tab on the right side of the application. This tool displays the current trend of a market for a given time period. By using this tool and identifying the market trend, you can apply the necessary strategies to win your trades. Another useful facility provided by the Expert Option platform is its Education tab. If you're a beginner to the platform, using this tool you can learn all the basics about the Expert Option platform itself. Apart from tutorials, the Education tab also contains webinars and articles that teach traders how to perform different analyses on markets in the Expert Option platform. Using this tool, you will be able to further increase your knowledge about trading. So those are all the tips for this video. I hope you guys learned something new. I'll see you guys in the next video.